Good morning, everybody. We're back here where we were yesterday at Miss Upton's house. And for some reason, there are two CDFA trucks or US government trucks. Let's just say two of the chicken killer peoples, they're here. So we're finding out what they're up to. Yep, Paula. They're here again. I don't know what they're doing, maybe paperwork, but I'm here. I'm sure they're probably watching my live feed right now. That'll be amazing. I do still hear her peacock, so they 100% were saved yesterday. They didn't get killed. I'm good, thanks guys. I think I see another truck headed down here. Right there. We'll see right now, maybe not. It has something on the back. What? What is this? That is with them. Look at that thing on his truck. License plate 3367R or 33G7R. Government plates. They're turning around behind me. That's them right there. They better fucking not be coming for her peacocks. I'm not getting out of the car, guys. I'm in my pajamas. I'm actually gonna pull up so that guy can't park in front of me. This guy is in the street. Yeah, he better repark. Same girl from yesterday. They must be making a lot of money. I know I can't afford all those Vans sweatshirts. She had a Vans windbreaker on yesterday, and today she has a Vans sweatshirt on. I know those suckers aren't cheap. She keeps getting, what, back in and out of her car? Like, what the hell is she doing? Yeah, people, I hurt my ankle yesterday, so yeah. That's why I'm in my pajamas still. I made my kids get dressed all by themselves, too, today. We are in Nuevo, Alicia. We are at exactly the same house we were at yesterday morning. So we're trying to see what the hell they're doing here today again. Brandy, they already killed her chickens here yesterday. And her turkeys, I believe. Let me turn my volume down. There. I see a chicken. I see a chicken. Right there. Right there. See it? It's right there. So what? They're gonna come get her one loose chicken she has? And they got a lot more houses to go to if that's the case, because I know a lot of houses that had a leftover chicken there. If you guys, you CDFA people, USDA people, you guys suck at doing your job. Do you think you've tormented these people enough? Yes, Brandy, lady with peacocks. So what do you guys think? You think I should go down the street and turn around and park in front of her house? Chris, they're in Nuevo again. Same house as yesterday. Deb, they're in Nuevo. Okay, I'm pulling up. Looks like they're getting suited, guys. Oh, and I have the Durango behind me. There's the Durango. Think they're following me or what? Losers. Loser. They thought. There we go, guys. Got a better view. What are you guys doing back here today? I'm good. How are you back there? Do you know why the chicken killers are back today? You're just the gardener? What the F is this truck, guys? I've never seen this truck yet. They must be getting ready to get the peacocks? I'm in Nuevo, so the service is really bad over here. Is it less blurry when I like don't move the camera? Okay, well, so far nothing's happening. They're all just sitting in their car. There's the door open. These people, I think, are gearing up. I'm not sure. And these guys just hanging out. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, Deb. I think they're waiting for highway patrol, maybe. Yep, we're in Nuevo again. Exactly the same house we were at yesterday. Everybody is just hanging out right now. I don't know. I did get on video before I started my live feed. I got that white Ram going into the school on video. So I know that they're not supposed to be in school property or something like that. So there's another car here now. It's the Ford. It's the same one that was here yesterday. I wonder where Flatbutt is. Flatbutt guy. I wonder where he is. His little red GMC's not here. The address is, oh gosh, can't see it from where I'm at. It's 2 houses down from New View Elementary School. Just open your Google Maps and look at the second house to the right. That van was just like a glass repair company, I think. And this guy's probably shitting in his pants going to the neighbor's house. Oh, look at that bird. Just flying, you know, in the fields. Jen Quinn? No, this is on Lakeview, right next to New View Elementary School. Is there an option on there to watch it in high def? Jen Quinn, we're not by a contour. We're in Nueva on Lakeview. That stop sign right there is where the library is. And then 2 houses down that way is the school. Well, actually 1 house. This is the 2nd house. So it goes 1 house and then the school. Okay, there's no high def option. When I'm done recording and it posts and you rewatch it, the playback, it will give you a high def option. So it's not so pixely. Alright guys, I'm gonna go off live, and that was really loud. And I'll get back on if they start doing anything. I don't wanna waste all your guys' time this morning. Okay, bye.